This is food of my grandson. The secret to let child eat vegetable is like this, no? You mix up all these vegetables with the rice. Andyan na yung sayote, malunggay, plus the chicken. Para hindi niya notice that there is vegetables on it. Tignan nyo, mamaya kakainin niya yan that he didn't ask anything, he just tastes it. That's my secret. I mash everything and put everything in the rice. I hide the vegetable na hindi niya notice that there is malunggay. If he will know that there is malunggay, for sure he will not eat this, but because of my style na tinatago ko talaga, nakakain niya yung mga vegetable na yan. Look naman, di ba? My grandson is so heavy and he's so strong. Okay? So that's my tip for you para kumain ng gulay ang inyong mga little boy or girls.